telling you a story of Salahuddin Ayyubi, the noble warrior. First, we know about his childhood and early life. Long ago, in the year 1137, a baby boy was born in Tikrit, a town near the great river Tigris. His parents named him Yusuf ibn Ayyub, but the world would later know him as Salahuddin Ayyubi, the bringer of goodness and justice. From a very young age, Salahuddin Ayyubi was not only strong but also kind-hearted. He loved learning about the Quran, history, and the stories of great heroes. Unlike other boys who only wanted to play with swords, Salahuddin wanted to understand knowledge, faith, and justice. The first part of the story has a moral that true strength comes from knowledge and character. Part 2, Rising as a Leader. As Salahuddin Ayyubi grew, he joined his uncle Sheku, a great general, and learned the art of war. But Salahuddin was different from many warriors. He didn't fight for wealth or power. He fought to protect the weak and to bring peace. Soon people noticed his courage, honesty, and fairness. He was chosen as a commander and later became the Sultan of Egypt and Syria. Moral leadership is earned by honesty and service, not just power. Part 3, The Crusades began. In those times, the holy city of Jerusalem was captured by crusaders. The people suffered and the city of peace was filled with fear. Salahuddin promised himself, "One day I will free Jerusalem with justice, not cruelty." He gathered a strong army but reminded them, "We fight not for revenge but for peace and faith." Moral: True warriors fight for justice, not hatred. Part 4, The Battle of Hattin, 1187. The Crusaders marched with arrogance, but Salahuddin was patient. At the Battle of Hattin, his wisdom and strategy defeated the enemy. Thousands of soldiers was captured. But here is what made Salahuddin different: he showed mercy. Instead of killing the prisoners, he gave them water, food, and tribute, and lived dignity. Moral: Mercy is the greatest victory. Part 5, The Liberation of Jerusalem. Finally, in 1187, Salahuddin entered Jerusalem. People feared he would take revenge, but Salahuddin surprised everyone. He protected Christians, Jews, and Muslims alike. He allowed Christian families to live safely or stay peacefully. The holy places were respected and not a single Syrian was harmed. Even the Crusaders admitted, "Never has Jerusalem seen such mercy." Moral: Justice and kindness win hearts more than force. Part 6, The Legend of Generosity. Salahuddin lived a simple life even as a great sultan. He gave his wealth to the poor and died with very little money of his own. When he passed away in 1193, the world mourned. Even his enemies respected him. Moral: A true hero is remembered for goodness, not riches. Final message: Salahuddin Ayyubi is remembered as one of the greatest heroes in history, not only because he was a brave warrior, but because he was merciful, just, and humble. Power and swords can win battles, but justice and mercy win hearts forever. The end.